Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make Canva designs move. We'll start by exploring the basic animation features available. You can easily bring your static images and text to life with just a few clicks. This guide will help you transform your presentations, social media posts, and videos into engaging visual experiences. Get ready to add that extra spark to your designs and capture your audience's attention effectively. Now, let's focus on animating individual elements within your design. Simply click on any text box, image, or graphic you wish to animate. Then, navigate to the Animate tab in the toolbar. You'll find a wide selection of effects, such as tumble or breathe, each offering unique movement. Experiment with different styles to see how they enhance your message and create visual interest for specific parts of your design. Beyond individual elements, you can also animate entire pages or add transitions between them. This is perfect for presentations or multi-page documents. Select the page you want to animate, then choose a page animation style like block or fade. For seamless transitions between pages, use options such as dissolve or match and move. These features help maintain a consistent visual theme and guide your audience through your content effortlessly. Once your design is animated to perfection, it's time to share it with the world. To do this, you'll need to download your creation as an MP4 video. Canva offers various download options, ensuring high-quality output for your moving graphics. Simply click the Share button, then select Download and choose the MP4 video format. This allows your animations to play seamlessly across different devices and platforms, making your content truly dynamic.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.